Hi guys, my name is Alana and today I'll be opening a bath bomb that my mom ordered and it came today, and let's get started. So let me open the box like there. And there's some confetti. I smell something. Oh, these smell. Okay, let's get this off. So there's a purple one. There's a pink one. Pink is purplish. There's a green one. And there's a pink and green one. Cool. Two top colored. And there's a yellow and green one. Two top colored again. I can't really see the yellow right there. Okay. And there's an orange and yellow. This is the orange. There's a little orange and yellow. And there's also some cards they gave you. Oh, just like it shows you all the dinosaurs that you will get, but I don't know which one it is in. Like the yellow, they tell you. The yellow, blue, purple. Probably when they do like yellow, like 2 times yellow, probably mean like this yellow that's in it, and wait, there's no other yellow. I wonder then. Doesn't matter. There's green, 2 purples. Okay. And then you could try this at home. You could put one bath. You could also smell this if you have the same one. And you could put this in your bathtub and try it out. And there's dinosaurs in it. Many different. And it also shows you on the box so you could see it when you get it. So it might be a different one. Okay. How do we open this? Okay. I'm just gonna open this one. Yeah, I saw it already. Okay. Very cool. It's hard to open. Open it really lightly. And here it looks like. And that's all. Bye.